So should you go all in on real estate? Now, while diving headfirst into real estate with a large down payment seems like a smart move, don't forget how important it is to understand the value of keeping cash accessible. Because sometimes having your funds locked into your home can backfire. In the past 12 months, prices on everything from daily essentials to home maintenance has gone up. These increases usually go unnoticed at first, but eventually you start to feel it. Suddenly, credit card balances are escalating, you stop saving as much, or worse, your savings start to deplete. So envision this: unexpectedly your roof needs to be replaced, and you have to borrow money to pay for the unanticipated repair. What if securing new debt isn't possible? What if you can't borrow enough? And what if the new payment hurts your ability to manage other financial obligations? You need to plan ahead and be prepared. Make sure your mortgage pro isn't just an order taker, but an advisor guiding you through your financial journey. If you found value in this message, hit the like button below and share this video. And remember, when dealing with your mortgage, choose a pro, not a show.